Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. I hope that you all are having a good time. So today in this video I'll be talking about creating a Copilot Studio agent which can create the certificates in bulk. So this video is going to be really useful if you want to dive deep into understanding the skills in Copilot Studio, and today we'll be creating one such skill which will help us to create certificates based on the user inputs the user provides. Alright, so let me first show you this certificate template. So this is a fillable certificate template where you can write data like this, right? And we're going to be using this certificate template, and we will provide this template to our agent, and then our agent is going to create the certificates from the data we provide to it. All right, so let's see the process of how we can create such an agent. So right now, as you can see, I am in my Copilot Studio and I'll click on new agent. Now here the first task for me is to create a skill. Now if you would have worked with skills in Copilot Studio, you know that skills are reusable set of instructions which we can use for our Copilot Studio agents, and these skills are then invoked by our agents for performing the tasks which are mentioned in the instructions in our skills. So we are going to create a similar skill today, but I am not going to create it from scratch, but rather than that I'm going to take help from Copilot Studio itself to create a skill. So right now you can see this interface in front of yourself where I'm creating an agent, but this is not actually the process for creating our certificate generator, but rather than that I am going to create a skill using this agent. So what I will do is that I'll just directly click on preview from here, and now I will be asking this agent to create a skill for me which I will use in my another agent for generating the PDFs of the certificate. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm just going to write a prompt, and let's write it. I want to build a certificate generator skill, and as an asset I have provided you one fillable certificate template, and every time the user will provide you those fillable details, you have to fill those details in the certificate template PDF. Alright, so I want to build a certificate generator skill, and as an asset I have provided you one fillable certificate template, and every time the user will provide those details, those fillable details, skill has to fill those details in the certificate template PDF and then provide that PDF to the user. Great. Another thing which we can mention is that what should be the name of the file which will be generated, right? So the name of the PDF file which the skill will generate should be in this format. Which format? We can say recipient name dot PDF. You need to provide me a downloadable dable zip file which will contain, okay, I'm wrong here, let's, which will contain we can say the skill.md file and the supported scripts to perform the task. So this is the prompt which I'm going to give to this agent, and what it will do is that it will create a skill for me, and then I will download that skill because I've asked this agent to provide me a zip file with skill.md file in it and the supported scripts for generating the PDF. So probably it will give me the Python scripts with my skill.md file in a zip file, which I can upload to my certificate generator agent, which I'll be creating after this, and then that agent will use this skill for generating the PDFs. Now here I have said that I want to build a certificate generator skill, and as an asset I have provided you one fillable certificate template. So let me just provide the template here. So I have provided the template, and now let's give this prompt to this agent. Now what this untitled agent will do is that it will provide me a downloadable zip file, and let's see what we can do with that. Alright, so now as you can see, it is doing the reasoning part. It has identified 5 key fields from the PDF which we had attached, and these are those fields, right? The name, the training name, completion date, certificate ID, and issued by. So it's gonna generate a Python script probably to generate the PDF files, and then we'll also have a skill.md file. I'm just gonna open that in Visual Studio once it provides that to me. So let's see what it provides. It has started building the skill package now, so it's going to provide us that. Alright, so now as you can see, it has created my certificate generator skill, and it is also showing me a lot of reasoning which it has done in order to create this. Now if you see, this is the zip file it has created. The name of the zip file is like this. Inside this we have certificate generator, and in that we have skill.md file. It has provided this certificate template as an asset to it, and then we have fill certificate.py Python script which it has, and these are the template fields which it detected, which is recipient name, course name, completion date, certificate ID, and issued by. Now what I'm going to do next is that I'm just gonna click here and I'll just download this zip file. Great. And here as you can see, this is the folder which we have, which is certificate generator. Inside this we have this skill.md file, and for this file, if you see, here we have the name of our skill, which is certificate generator, and here we have the description. The description says that, you know, generates a completed training certificate PDF from a fillable certificate template. Use whenever the user asks to create, issue, generate, or fill a certificate for one or more recipients. And here we have the set of instructions as well. It has provided the examples, and these are the template fields which it will use, right? So recipient name, course name, completion date, certificate ID, issued by, and it has given some sample data to it as well. Then next thing is that we're gonna be using the Python script for, you know, creating this, right? So if I go to the scripts, I can see this fill certificate.py. So this is the Python script which we have, and here we have the code of our Python script. You can verify the code based upon your requirements when you are creating a skill. And also I wanted to mention one thing, like this is just one example which I'm showing you, but the use cases could be infinite, so you can think of different types of use cases based upon what you want to do with Copilot Studio, and then you can try to create such amazing skills, and then you can use them into your agents, right? And I've also shown you this way that how you can actually go about creating a skill when you don't know how to create a skill. So you can simply go in Copilot Studio only. You can start by creating a new agent and then directly go to the preview tab, mention that what type of skill you want. You can also ask it to, once you review that skill, you can just go back. Let's say if I want to change anything here in this code, right, I can simply go back to my Copilot Studio. I can tell it again that I want to make these changes here. It will make the changes into the script, will provide you the new file. You can upload that file as a skill in your new agent which you will be creating, right? So it's a loop refinement, we can say, where you can test the skill, and then if you want to improve the skill, you can again use the Copilot Studio to do the same thing. And here in the assets we have the certificate template which it has provided it to for the reference, right? So uh, I think we are done with this, right? We have skill.md file, we have assets, and then we have scripts, and in the scripts we have the Python file which will be creating the PDF for us. So now what I'm going to do here is that, let me go back here. If I open certificate generator, I just want to select this and I will compress it to zip file, and then we are going to upload the zip file, right? So let's go back here and let me go back to the home. I'm just going to click on discard for now, but make sure that if you want it to test again and again, you save your agent. I'm just hoping that this thing is going to work for sure, so that's why I did not save any changes of mine. Now let's click on new agent, and I will give a name to this certificate, or we can say training certi generator. I'm not going to provide any instructions to this agent because our main primary goal is to test its skill. So I'm going to click on skills, let's upload, and we'll select this zip file. Let's click on open, and now it's saving the skill. Right, so now as you can see, the skill has been added here. I'm just gonna click on here, and you can see that we have this skill.md file here, and then we have this scripts folder. Under that we have this fill certificate.py. If you see this name and description, this is the same name and description which we have here in our code, right? So this is the name and this is the description. So we have that similar name and description present here, and here we have the set of instructions which we defined here in the code, right? Actually we did not define it. Copilot Studio did it for us. So this is something which we have, right? So the skill has been added. Now let's test it. So for testing it, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on preview, and here in my training series generator I am going to give it the first data. So here, as you can see, I have an Excel file, and in this Excel file I have some demo data where we have the recipient name, course name, completion date, certificate ID, and issued by Declios Academy. So I'm going to copy the first row, and let's provide this row to our agent. I'm going to paste it here, and let's see how it will work. So as you can see, it has loaded the skill certificate generator, and now it's going to generate a PDF for us. Great. So now as you can see, the certificate has been created with the recipient name as Priya Sharma, course is workplace safety training, completion date, certificate ID, and issued by Declios Academy. And here is the attached PDF file which we have, and gonna open this. You can see that the certificate is ready for us with the name appearing here. This is the name of the training, completion date, certificate ID, and issued by. Now what I want to do next here is that I want to copy this entire Excel file data, and we're going to be giving it to our agent, and then we'll see whether it can generate the PDFs in bulk or not. So now I'm going to paste the data here. Let's paste it. Let's see. So now as you can see, it is showing me in the reasoning that I'm going to batch generate 5 entries, and since Priya already exists in the system, I'll just overwrite that one. Let's see what it creates for us. Great. So now we have 5 certificates available here. If I can download every single one of them. Great. So we have 5 PDF files with us, and you can see that in every PDF file it has created a very nice looking certificate for us by filling up those field values. That's it, right? So I hope that you liked this video where we discussed about how we can use Copilot Studio for generating certificates in bulk. You can upload as many rows as you want if you want to generate more certificates, but this is the steps which you need to follow, right? And I've also shown you that how you can create the skill using Copilot Studio itself, where you can just chat with the Copilot Studio. You can talk about your aim which you want to achieve, and based on the prompt which you give to Copilot Studio, it will create a skill for you. You can check that skill. If you want to change things into it, you can again ask Copilot Studio to make changes into it, and then finally you have to create a zip file, upload it to your agent. That's it, and then test it and see whether it works correctly or not. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Have a good day. Bye bye.